Thank you, Madam Susie. Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for being here with us today. My name is NASKA RANAU. I'm from Ranau, and I've been on training here since the 3rd of February this year. So, let me share with you some of the few important skills that we've learned here during our time in CarersPlus Asia. So, as you all can see here, it's a bit small from where you guys are sitting, and you guys can check it out after this. But as you all can see here, these are the few important skills that we've learned here. So, one of the first things that we were taught was how to make a bed properly, even with patient lying on it. It may sound simple, but making an occupied bed requires patience, care, and the correct techniques. Yes. It's one of the small things that can make a big difference in someone's comfort and dignity. We also learn about ambulation and basic physiotherapy, including the range of motion exercises. And these skills actually help us to help people with limited movement so that they can stay active and be as independent as possible. Another important skill that we've gained here is how to monitor vital signs, like blood pressure, pulse rate, and also the oxygen saturation. And by understanding these signs, we can track someone's condition, provide timely care, and anticipate their needs. So, all these skills are more than just nurses. It is part of mission to provide professional and compassionate care. Because good care doesn't just support recovery. It builds confidence, restore dignity, and to help the person live a better life. Now you might be wondering, why are we learning all this? Why? Because home care is all about you. It is for your comfort, your independence, and your ability to live life on your own terms. So everyone, before I end my sharing here, I would like to ask everyone here one simple question. Do you know someone who might need our care? And if you do, please do give us a call. We are trained, we are ready, and we are here to serve. Thank you for your time.